Hey there, my name is Jessica and welcome to the Jess Tales. Today's video is super quick. It's just a few Amazon dresses that I ordered recently because I am going to be a guest in a fall wedding. I didn't have time to order or shop around, so I turned to Amazon, but I got the smallest size in all of them that they had to offer. And I also wanted to note that I did not steam any of this beforehand, so a lot of them may be kind of wrinkly looking, but the reason why I didn't steam them is because I'm going to be returning most of them, all but one. So I just wanted to remind you of that. But I hope that you enjoy this. I don't want to talk too long on here, but if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe because I would love to see you in my next videos. I do upload once a week. Before we start, I just wanted to discuss some of my accessories that I am wearing with these dresses. So my lipstick, this red lip looks really good with dresses this color. This specific color is by MAC and it is called Moody Bloom and it's a matte lipstick. So I just wanted to show you that that is what I am wearing on my lips. If you had any questions about that, I will have it linked down below. I also love the MAC Russian red. That is more of a lighter true red. I feel like this one is more of a deep red. So this one just went really well with my winter theme. I also have to talk about my shoes. I love these shoes. I've had these for so long. I wear them all the time, and every time I wear them, I get so many compliments on them. They look just like some Valentino shoes with the studs on them. These are actually from Designer Shoe Warehouse. I will link the exact ones down below, but I also love them because they are so comfortable. And if you don't believe me, I'll just show you how worn the bottoms are, and you can see that the heel is kind of pushed outward because I've worn it so much. So these are my go-to heels. Obsessed with them. I've had them for years. I just wanted to show because I'll be wearing those heels in all of these clips. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. The link to my Amazon storefront is in the description box below, but all of these dresses are linked in a specific folder in my storefront called Wedding Guest Dresses. So they're super easy to shop, very easy to find. I think that's it. So let's just get right into it. Starting off with my absolute favorite one. I just wanted to start off strong. This is actually the only one in the entire haul that truly fits me across the chest. I love the shoulder detail. It's such a great blue. I love that it's not see-through. That is something that is so hard to find. You can't see through the fabric when I stretch my legs out, and that's really hard to find, especially on Amazon. It's not very hot. It is the perfect fall to winter kind of dress. This is the one that I will be wearing to the wedding that I am going to go to, and that is a late October wedding. It also hits me at the perfect length. I feel like if you're going to wear a tighter dress to a wedding, it does need to be a little bit longer. I would not want to wear a tight dress that is really short. I do not think that is flattering at all, and it's not a cute look for a wedding. You're supposed to look pretty elegant for a wedding. At least that's how I like to go to them. So this one is just the perfect amount of sexy without being raunchy. You know what I mean? I mean, there can be a fine line with some of these, especially on Amazon. So I love this one. Okay, the second one is a navy blue. This one is like a satin silky material. Again, I didn't steam any of these before the try on because I'm going to be returning most of them because they just, none of them fit. As you can see, this one is too big in the chest area, but what I do like about this one is this whole top seam is covered with the sticky material, kind of like a strapless bra, so that it can help stay up if it were tight enough to touch your skin. And this has a really nice zipper closure. This is definitely one of the higher quality ones that I got. It is fully lined, which is really, really nice. If this fit me better, I would definitely keep this one, and this would have been the one that I wear because with a little bit of a sleeve on it, it's just more appropriate for the fall going into the winter. This would be a great wintertime wedding dress. It is very flattering. It shows off your figure without it being too tight. This one definitely exceeded my expectations as far as quality goes, especially with it being lined. So hard to find on Amazon. I really do wish it was a little bit smaller. I love this one. This is really cute. Comes in a ton of different colors. I just really liked the navy one for a fall winter wedding. So this one, I saw a lot of people on that Like to Know app that got this one for fall wedding guest dresses. I am not a fan of this one. I just got it just to see what it would be like on. And yeah, it fits really nice, but it is extremely cheap feeling. It's very, very thin. It's not see-through, so that's a good thing. And I mean, it feels really nice on. The little bow is right here, and you can ruche it up as high or as low as you want it to be. but it's just like, because I have it tied, it pulls down right here. Again, it's still a little bit large right here in the chest area for me. The cowl neck doesn't really like work, and it's double lined to like right here, so you can like see a line right here. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it. So I just wanted to show you guys. I mean, it's a cute option, just not something that I would wear, but it is cute. Maybe, you know, I think it has its place like at a club. I love the color. I like the silky satiny look. It is affordable if you're looking for a dress like this for any occasion, like maybe a different occasion than a wedding guest. This dress I love, and I definitely would have worn this one as well if I owned a slip to put under it, because I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but you can see straight through it. I mean, you can't like see necessarily my body underneath it. If this would have been lined, this for sure would be a keeper for me, and this is probably my favorite one above the first one, just because of how cute this is. I like that it is not so showy. It's very flattering. It's cute. Because it's a little bit looser up here, more of an A-line, it's a little bit shorter but not too short. It's just a really great like dancing dress. I don't know, I love this one. And I love the sleeve on it. I think that is so fun. This is also great for a little bit of a cooler weather wedding because your arm is covered. Of course, this one's gonna be kind of chilly, but beauty is pain. It does also fit me in the chest pretty well. I mean, it's a tad bit loose, but like if I would have worn it, I would have probably just kept it closer to off the shoulder to where it would be a little bit tighter right here, and it would fit just fine. Maybe buy a slip or something to wear with it. I'm just really bummed that it's not automatically lined, because that would be perfect. Not too short, which is also really hard to find because I do have a longer torso. And the color is just stunning. This is just a really pretty dress. And this is also a really cute dress for a lot of other occasions other than a wedding guest. All right, this is the only dress that I got that isn't a royal blue or navy, but I love this color. It's like a nice hunter green. Again, super, super great for a winter and fall weddings. I love the one shoulder detail. I like that it's kind of split right here. It has a nice zipper on it. It's a really, really good quality dress. It is double lined in the top. The bottom is not double lined, but it's not see-through at all. It is a nice thick material, so I love that about this. I love the length on it, how it goes down to your calf. And I love the slit up here, and also what I like about it is that this slit goes like this, so you don't have to worry about showing too much. Like, it's a pretty good length right here. Again, this one is just a little bit too big as well in the chest, so it kind of gapes right here and falls down a little bit. It doesn't fit me as well as I want it to fit, but this is a very flattering option because it does have the ruching right here. So this is a great option for a fall and winter wedding. And you can wear a really nice furry coat over it or whatever you may have and make it winterize immediately. Okay, the last dress is this long one. This is definitely more of a formal dress, so I like this option if you have more of a formal wedding to go to. As you can see, it's a tad a bit too big for me again right here, but this is also a little bit too small for me through the hips. I like this slit that it's not too high, so it keeps it still pretty formal, very elegant. I just had a thing with the one shoulders this time, but I also love this little bow detail on it. I think that is so adorable. I love that. I like the length, how it's almost floor length, even in the heels. It's just a really cute formal option. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that that was helpful. I know it can be difficult to find wedding guest dresses, especially in the fall and winter. My biggest piece of advice is to just go with something that you can wear a jacket over if you need to. That's why I love the one shoulder with a little design on it, because they look really cute without a jacket, but it's super easy to throw a jacket on over them. Again, everything is linked in my Amazon storefront, and the link to my storefront is down in my description box. If you have any questions, please comment and let me know. I'm always here to answer any questions or just chat. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you next week.